Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain why your Google Play gift card might not be redeeming and how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Double-check the code. Make sure you are entering the gift card code exactly as shown on the card or in your email. Even a small typo can prevent the code from being redeemed. Step 2. Verify your account. Google Play gift cards can only be redeemed on a valid Google account. Ensure you are signed into the correct account before entering the code. Step 3. Check the region. Some Google Play gift cards are region-specific. A card purchased in one country may not work with an account registered in another country. Step 4. Confirm the card's validity. Make sure the card has not expired and is an official Google Play gift card. Cards from unauthorized sellers may not work. Step 5. Try a different device or browser. Sometimes technical glitches in the app or browser prevent redemption. Use another device, clear your browser cache, or try the Google Play Store app. Step 6. Check for app updates. Make sure your Google Play Store app is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues during redemption. Step 7. Contact Google Support. If the card still doesn't redeem after following these steps, reach out to Google Play Support with your card details. They can verify the card and help resolve the issue. That's it. Following these steps should help you redeem your Google Play gift card successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.